Assalamualaikum and good morning. Assalamualaikum and good morning to Madam Azani. Today we going to present about in a group assignment about type of pet for 55 students in IKM Bintulu. So I'm going to start with introduction. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Omar bin Mazuki from SFP2. So I'm going to start with introduction. What is statistics? Statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with the collection, review, and analysis of data. It is known for drawing the conclusion of data with the use of quantified models. Statistical analysis is a process of collecting and evaluating data and summarizing into a mathematical form. Statistics can be defined as the study of the collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation, and organization of data. In simple words, it is a mathematical tool that is used to collect and summarize data. Uncertainty and fluctuation in different fields and parameters can be determined only through statistical analysis. These uncertainties are determined by probability that plays a very important role in statistics. In simple words, statistics is the study and manipulation of given data. It deals with the analysis and computation of given numerical data. To find the mean of the mark obtained by each student in class of 40 students, the average value is statistic of the mark obtained. Suppose you need to find the number of employed citizens in a city. If the city has a population of 10,000 people, we will take sample of 1,000 people. Based on this, we can prepare the data, which is the statistic. What is data? What is data in statistics? In statistics, data refers to collection of observation or measurement that can be analyzed to gain insight, make decision, or identify patterns. Data can represent various forms of information such as number, text, image, or sounds, and it is typically organized for analysis. Second one is type of data. Data of the raw material of information comes in various forms, which is unique characteristics and application. Understanding this type is crucial for effective data analysis, interpretation, and utilization across diverse fields. Structured data. This type of data organized in a predefined format, often within table or databases, with rows and columns representing specific attributes. Imagine a spreadsheet with column for name, age, city, and occupation. Each row represents a person and the value in the columns represent their corresponding attributes. This structure format allows for efficient querying, data manipulation, and analysis data. So as you can see here, this is a raw data of type of pet. I can be Tulu. We have cat, rabbit, fish, turtle, bird, and hamster. So this is a table of data in tubular form, frequency, or which is we're gonna calculate about cumulative frequency. So I'm gonna start with cat. Cat frequency is 14. So I'm gonna calculate all this. Cumulative frequency 14 plus 7 becomes 21, 21 plus 10 becomes 31, 31 plus 6 becomes 37, and 37 plus 12, 49, and last but not least 6. 49 plus 6 is 55, so 55 students. So that's all for me on the data graphical form. I'm going to pass to Emmanuel. Thank you.
Like Madam see in this page, this chart shows the percentage description of student favorite type of pet. Cat is the most popular at 25.45%, followed by fish 21.81%. To get a percentage, cat 14 divides 55 multiply 100 is 25.54%. Repeat 7 divides 25, multiply, the answer is 12.72%. Bird 10 divide 55 multiply 100, the answer is 60.60%. Hamster 6 divide 55 multiply 100, the answer is 10.9%. Fish 12 divide 55 multiply 100, the answer is 12.8%. Turtle 6 divide 55 multiply 100, the answer is 10.9%. Bar chart, type of pet animal. Type of pet animal. Madam can see the bar chart. This chart allows us to see the data in a graphical format of different type of pets animal. It can be seen that the favorite pet of IKM Bintulu student is cat, as the a student how perfect cat compared to only 12 students how per perfect fish. This show that student a very fan of cat, fond of a cute cat.
Next is the measure of central of tendency, which is mean, mode, and median. So the mean, the sort of data is number 6, 7, 10, 12, and 14, equal to 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 and plus 14. So the equal to 55 divided by 6. The answer is 9.166. Why it's divided by 6 is because the number of the total of the number. So total of the number is 6. So 55 divided by 6. And the mode, which is the most frequent data, is the sort of data is 6, 6, 7, 10, 12, and 14. So we can choose it the cat lah, which is the most frequent data. So the median is the middle value. So the sort of data is the same too, which is 6, 6, 7, 10, 12, and 14. So after we calculate 55 plus 1.5, so the answer is 28, which we choose birds as the middle value. So next is the conclusion. So the conclusion is the statistic often perceived as a dry subject confined to textbook and academic circle plays a surprisingly vital role in our everyday life. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to sleep, statistics supply influence our decision, shapes and our understanding of the world, and guides our action. The next is health and wellness. The medical field relies heavily on statistics. Clinical trials use statistic method to determine the effectiveness of the new drugs and treatments. Our understanding of disease prevalence, risk factor, and mortality rates are all based on statistic analysis of the large data sets. This data help us make informed decisions about our health, from choosing healthy diet to understanding the risks of associated with certain behavior. And the last part is finance and economic. Statistics is the backbone of the financial markets. Investors use statistic models to predict stock price, assess investment risk, and manage portfolios. Economists rely on statistics to track economic indicators like inflation, unemployment, and GDP growth, providing valuable insight into the health of the economy and informing government policies.